Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Students, today we shall solve class 12 English paper part 2 objective questions of set D. ये एग्ज़ाम स्टूडेंट्स आज ही 11/4/2022 को हुआ है HBSC का। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं क्लास 12 इंग्लिश पार्ट 2 ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप क्वेश्चन सेट डी। तो सबसे पहले हैं रीडिंग स्किल्स, जिसमें ए में रीड द फॉलोइंग पैसेजेस ए बी एंड सी केयरफुली एंड आंसर द क्वेश्चंस दैट फॉलो, डू एनी टू पैसेजेस। तो पैसेजेस के आंसर्स करते हैं। व्हाट डज द वर्ड नेचर मीन हियर आफ्टर रीडिंग द पैसेज? करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी, आवर नेचुरल एनवायरनमेंट। डी, व्हाट आर द पार्ट्स ऑफ नेचर अराउंड अस? ए सन, मून, माउंटेन्स। बी रिवर्स, बर्ड्स, एनिमल्स। सी वाटर रिसोर्सेज एंड ट्रीज ओनली। डी ऑल ऑफ द अबव। तो करेक्ट आंसर है इसका डी, ऑल ऑफ द अबव। थर्ड, हाउ कैन वी हेल्प आवर सेल्व्स? ए बाय मिसयूजिंग द नेचर। बी बाय कटिंग ट्रीज। सी विद a little help of nature. D by spoiling natural resources. Correct answer is option C, with a little help of nature. Question 4, if we take care of trees, what will they not give us? Answer is option D, fire. Fifth, what should you do if you happen to pass by a sick plant? Correct answer is option D, both B and C. B, water it with a bottle. C, water it with the help of a polythene. तो डी आंसर है बोथ बी एंड सी। नाउ पैसेज बी, लेट्स सॉल्व क्वेश्चंस ऑफ पैसेज। चूज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन। सी, व्हाट हैज बिकम ए पब्लिक हेल्थ एंड पब्लिक पॉलिसी इशू? बी, इनटेक ऑफ कोल्ड ड्रिंक्स। 7, अकॉर्डिंग टू मैनी पीपल ओबेसिटी इज द कॉज ऑफ टेकिंग? ऑप्शन बी, सॉफ्ट ड्रिंक्स। 8th, what do you mean by ailments given in the passage? Correct answer is option D, diseases. 9, for some parts of our body sugar sweeteners are like poison. D option is correct. Now 10th, what are the better options to avoid soft drink? A, fruits, raw and leafy vegetables. Option A is correct. Now passage C, questions. Choose the correct option. 11th, what does our action depend upon? Correct answer is option B, our thinking. 12th, what results in good health, no tension and an aura on face? Correct answer is option B, positive thinking. Question 13, who finds fault with others? Correct answer is option C, negative thinker. 14th, what should we spread? Correct answer is option D, positive waves. Now 15th one, when can we be creative with innovative ideas? Correct answer is option C, when we enhance our power of thinking. Now grammar. B, do as directed. A, use suitable articles any two. 16th, Mumbai is dash capital of Maharashtra. Correct answer is option C, the. Now question 17, man is mortal. Correct answer is option D, cross. There will be no article here. कोई आर्टिकल नहीं आएगा तो हमने क्रॉस करना है। डी, क्रॉस इज द राइट आंसर। मैन इज मॉर्टल ही रहेगा, कोई आर्टिकल नहीं आएगा। 18th, you are dash university graduate. You are a university graduate. Option A is correct. Now B, use suitable models any two. 19th, my grandfather dash to sing classic songs. Correct answer is option D, used. Now 20, the teacher said yes you dash come in. Correct answer is option A, can. Now 21, it is Sunday today, I dash go to office. Option B, might. Now C, use correct form of verb any two. 22, I have not dash all the questions so far. Question 22, I have not dash all the questions so far. तो अटेम्प्टेड आएगा स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ पर। ऑप्शन सी करेक्ट है, आई हैव नॉट अटेम्प्टेड ऑल द क्वेश्चन सो फार। क्वेश्चन 23, माई फादर डैश ए मैच एट प्रेजेंट। तो इज वॉचिंग, माई फादर इज वॉचिंग ए मैच एट प्रेजेंट। डी आंसर होगा यहाँ पर। 24, इफ़ यू गिव मी मनी आई डैश यू ए वॉच। करेक्ट आंसर इज शैल बाय। सी ऑप्शन करेक्ट. Now D, change the voice any two. 25th, Rachit is disturbing me. Option B. I am being disturbed by Rachit. Option B सही है. Question 26. She had cheated us every time. Option C. We have been cheated by her every time. Question 27. She teases me. I am teased by her. Option C is correct. Now change the narration any two. 28. You said you are my friend. Correct answer is option D. You said that I was your friend. 29th. The teacher said to the boys, you will get good marks this time. D. The teacher told the boys that they would get good marks that time. D option is correct. Now 30. You said to me your card has expired. Correct answer is option A. He told me that my card has been expired. Now prose passage. C. Read the passage given below carefully and answer the questions that follow. Questions. Choose the correct option. 31. Name the lesson. Correct answer is option B, the last lesson. Name the author of these lines. Correct answer is option D, Alfonso Daudet. 33. Where from all the bad news had come. Option D, from bulletin board. 34. Apprentice in the passage means same as. Option C, pupil. 35th. For how many years all the bad news had come from the bulletin board. Option B, 2 years. Questions. Choose the correct option. 36. What is the name of the chapter from which these lines have been taken? Correct answer is option C, Indigo. Now 37. Who is the writer of these lines? Option D, Louis Fisher. Now 38. Who owned most of the arable land in Champaran? Englishman. Question 39. Which one of the following was the commercial crop in Champaran? Option D, indigo. Question 40. The farmers were ordered to surrender the entire indigo crop as rent. A option is correct. Now poetry. D. Read the stanza given below and answer the questions that follow. Questions. Choose the correct option. 41. Name the poem. Correct answer is option C, My Mother at 66. 42. Name the poet. Option B, Kamla Das. 43. What are the young sprinting object outside? 8 trees. 44. What is Van and Pell in the stanza? C, Mother's face. Now question 45. What did the poetess look at again? Her mother. Option B. Now there is another stanza in the or. Questions. Choose the correct option. 46. Name the poem. Poem is Keeping Quiet. Option D is correct. Now name the poet of these lines. Pablo Neruda. C option is correct. Now 48. What would the fisherman do? C. Would not harm the whales. 49. What would the man gathering salt do? B. Would look at his hands. 50. Who would look at his hands? B. Salt gatherers. Now E. Answer the following questions from the options given below. 51. Which language is the narrator talking about in the last lesson? Option B, French. With whom does Sahib go here and there? Option C, with friends. 53. The author in Deep Water has an aversion for water. Option B correct. Option D correct, sorry. Option D, water is correct. The author in Deep Water has an aversion for water. 54. What is the name of the Iron Master's daughter? Option C, Edla. Now 55. Where was Rajkumar Shukla waiting for Gandhiji? Option C, at Kolkata, Calcutta. Option C is correct. Now F. Answer the following questions from the options given below. 56. When Charlie was looking at his stamp collection, he found an envelope dated July 18, 1894. B option correct. 57. What did Dr. Sadao do at last to get rid of the enemy? Option B. He gave him a boat and let him go. B option is correct. Now 58. Roger Skunk's mother took Roger back to the wizard. Option D is correct. 59. In the evening, from where did George's father come? Return. D option, Boston. 60. The name of the writer of the play On the Face of It is Susan Hill. Option C is correct. So students, today we solved set D of class 12. Thank you.